guys, I am DC, host of Barside Jive. Welcome to my daily dose. It is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019, and you are witnessing my Siege on Normalcy Tour Day 32. How about that? All right, you guys ready? Okay, so how about some rock and roll? On this day in rock history, I've got some serious birthday shout-outs, right? Okay, so Al Jardine of the Beach Boys, 1942. Alan Charles Jardine is an American musician, singer, and songwriter who co-founded the Beach Boys. He is best known as the band's rhythm guitarist and for occasionally singing lead vocals on songs such as Help Me Rhonda, Then I Kissed Her, and Come Go With Me. You guys have never heard those tunes, I'm sure. All right, guys, another happy birthday shout out to Sex Pistols guitarist Steve Jones. Steve Jones, born 1955 as Stephen Philip Jones. He's an English rock guitarist, singer, actor, and radio DJ. Best known as a guitarist with the Sex Pistols, though. Following the split of the Sex Pistols, he formed the Professionals with former bandmate Paul Cook. And guys, last but not least, Don Brewer. Happy birthday, Don of Grand Funk Railroad, born in 1948. Donald George Brewer is an American drummer who is best known as the drummer, co-lead vocalist, and only continuous member of the amazing band power trio American Grand Funk Railroad. Well, guys, that will wrap up today's Daily Dose. I know it was short. But hold back the tears. For more rock music history, just turn on and tune in to my show tonight, because I got lots more coming your way. But you gotta watch the show to find out what it is. And I will be back with my Daily Dose tomorrow. More history on the classic rock legends. And you guys can join me as I peel back the pages and explore the past, present, and future of the rock legends on my Daily Dose of Rock Music. Don't forget to check out my upcoming shows this week on Tuesday and again on Thursday evenings at the new location of the Vocal Media Studios, coming at you live and worldwide, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Both those 60-minute shows are packed full of music and visual art. So join us at vocalnow.com, and it's always vocal with a K. That's right, a K. You guys are so freaking smart. If you'd like to check out my Daily Dose archives, go to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/ that's between slow-mo and fast, by the way. And look in the Daily Dose playlist. Again, Barside Jive live at youtube.com. While you're there, be sure to click that big-ass red subscribe button and subscribe. It's free. So just do it. Thanks in advance, guys, for your likes, loves, and shares. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I want you to check out my Facebook page, facebook.com/ Barside Jive Live. My Instagram's at Barside Jive. My website's barsidejive.com. And my YouTube channel, again, youtube.com/ and slow-mo Barside Jive Live. But I know I already told you that. So I'm putting emphasis on it. Hey, thanks guys for hanging out with me during my Daily Dose today. And remember, always My Barside Jive mantra: we drink. Sometimes we drink heavy, but we always drink responsibly. So should you. So just do it. Keep in mind that you have just one life to live here on this earth, so let's make it count. Let's do it strong together. I will see you guys this evening or next time, whichever comes first for you. 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, vocalnow.com. Look for the Vocal Live image. To the right of the Zoo and Fuzz box, if you're on your phone, just below the Zoo and Fuzz box, if you're in a browser, look for the Vocal Live image. Okay, guys, see you next time. Peace, love, and rock and roll. By the way, if you guys did experience some head, neck, or back tingles during this show and have an overwhelming sense of a deep, relaxing feeling, be advised that my content now does contain ASMR.
That's BarsideJiveLive.com.
You are feeling the tingles. Calling these kinds of whispers inaudible whispers, inaudible whispers. This is the best time to put the lotion.